Nemutungeria wa ndiguru William Samoei Ruto NERIGIIRI kuliunga ndiguru na ya BELARUS kienda wekana kirore na utungeria bwa ndiguru mantu nege biashara na kinya urimi akiaria ndiguru neu minister wa urimi Franklin Mithika LINTURI ugete untu BUNENE bugada bwetethira Kenya BUNENE mantu ne yegi urimi na kinya kona BIAKURIA.
And we've been able to identify areas that we can really collaborate in for the mutual benefit of our two countries. Probably most important is that for now, because of very short time that we'll be in Belarus, and recognizing or appreciating the fact that we want to move our issues faster because of the pragmatism of the leadership of the country, from the leader of the country. We regret that we may not be able to sign the anticipated MOU on agriculture on the various areas of collaboration, which was my main reason for coming here, because of certain technical issues which require to be looked into and addressed. So, because already there's a document that you are promising to hand over to also be able to explore those other areas that you are not within the domain of today's meeting, I would suggest that we are able to exchange the MOUs or the draft MOUs for consideration by both governments.